Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Oh, I need a haircut. And there's the project. Let's do a video on replacing these panes. I've never done it before. I can't even pronounce that style of window. Looks like it says jailhouse, but it's like Jalousie or hell, I don't have a clue. And we're going to try to document every step of the way. Yeah, pretty excited about this project. And this jailhouse, however you say that, window does not work. The mechanism right there is broken. But I'm going to take this one apart real quick so I can get this pane changed. So I only need to do this one, so I'm not going to take the whole frame out. Hopefully I can just take this section off. That's the goal. And we'll do a quick little video of how to do that. Did I do anything else? Nope, I don't think so. Yeah, it works. Okay. Back to the window. So on the top of this, anybody know how to pronounce this? Jalousie window. There's a couple of screws. So let's pull the screws apart. Then on the side, there's a couple of screws. So let's time lapse it. Here we go. There's two more here. There's two down there, but I don't think these need to come out right now until the pane itself's being replaced. But just to get this framing off, two here, and obviously two more on this side. I've already cut myself, so I'm vested. Yep. All right, let's time lapse. Here we go. Okay, a couple things to note. The screws that go here are different sizes than the one that's on the top. And then just wiggle this a little bit and go up with it instead of pulling out. Up with it, and it's out. Now I can take this to the local glass shop and get them to replace it. Yay! All right. That's one big bonus. Then we'll install it back. This one over here, like I said, the mechanism's broke, so I think I'm just gonna have to replace this whole piece. Let's do some more research, we'll find out. Oh, I just recorded a whole bunch and it wasn't recording. Oh man, I hate it when that happens. Anyway, we put a new knob right there. You see it? New knob off one of the other windows there. This mechanism is frozen, plus this rust on either end. It's just not having it. So, as I just said, but I did it on the inside and I'm not going back inside. We use these snap-on super grip pliers to squeeze, turn this and the knob at the same time. And after about 52 quarter turns, we got it to open enough where I can take these two panes out and take them to the glass shop. No idea how much that's going to cost. We will find out, because hopefully I will do it tomorrow. Anyway, back to time lapse. We got the two panes out, and I only lost one screw. Every last one of them's going to fall, so be ready to search for these little tiny ass screws. So, there's those removed. Let's take them to the glass shop, see if I can find that last screw. Take them to the glass shop, see how much that is. Here we go. 56 bucks for three pieces. Don't mind my mess. and whew, about to be 4 pieces, and they had it done in an hour and a half. Although it is the next day from when I dropped it off, but they called like an hour and a half after it was done. So in the Savannah, Georgia area, All American Glass, West Savannah, Pooler. That's where I'm gonna recommend getting your panes fixed. 56 bucks. Awesome. Now's the time that you want to break out the Brillo pads and polish everything up, but I'm not gonna do that. We're not getting that detailed in this. Like this, I can clean all that stuff later. I did wipe the glass down from me carrying it because I'm a mechanic by trade, and I have greasy fingers and there was grease spots everywhere. But they were done in like an hour and a half. It was great. I went and watched the movie after I dropped the glass off, and halfway through the movie they called and said, hey, glass is done. 56 bucks. That's awesome. Anyway, let's put these 3 pieces back in. It is the main road has a wreck or something on it, so I'm getting a lot of through traffic right now in the neighborhood, so we're gonna time lapse you. Ready? Here we go. During the time lapse, you may have seen me grab my socket wrench because the screw tip on this socket actually fits these screws a little better, so I can put some more force into it. Not necessarily force, just a better fit versus that screwdriver. So you got one hole in the top. You got one hole in the top. 3 different options on the bottom. I tried to put them back where, but I couldn't get this one to start, so I'm doing 2 here. But that's the way it was originally. I don't know if you can see that. Can you see that? Probably not enough light. But either way, let me tighten these bad boys up, and we'll move to the last piece, and then the windows are essentially done as far as I'm going to do them for all intents and purposes. I mean, we'll clean them up and all that good stuff later. Probably build screens eventually. At the moment, I just want water to stay out. If I take this camper to the shop, I would probably do better with having the proper screwdrivers and such. Let me tighten this one up. I sure did. Yep. All right, let's go do the other side. Here we go. I'm still happy I got these done fairly reasonable. Don't fall. You're falling. Twist you around. Bring you back around. Can you see? Can you see? Be prepared to drop screws, guys. These little bastards are just tiny and a pain in the ass. See, just drop one. I didn't do nothing yet. Now, I'll spend 30 minutes in this grass looking for this damn screw. And for 1970, they're clean, so that tells me they're stainless steel, so a magnet's not going to work. Man. These are the frustrating parts that just make you want to cut you off and do this. Well, that only took 15 minutes. Look like a damn crackhead going through the blades of grass. Trying to find this little tiny ass screw I'm about to drop again. Anyway. GoPro stay. It's not gonna stay, is it? Nope. Nope. How about there? How about there? How about there? Oh, I think I found a spot. Just kidding. That's good enough. Okay. So, remember on this one, I took out the two in the top that actually hold the frame together. So I got this little gap. Put these back in. And then this will be ready to install. You see it bring this gap back together. Hope you can see. Maybe you can see. That's all she's getting out of that one. Alright. This goes this way. See the 3 options on the end and the one that goes there. Yep. That's how it goes in. Flat piece, down, then 2 screws on each side. Stay. Don't go nowhere. Can you see? Can you see? There we go. Now, don't fall on my head while I grab the screws. Oh, I'm missing 2 somewhere else. Alright, couldn't find one screw. 30 minutes wasted. I'll just take one off and go match it up. I don't know where I dropped it, or if I dropped it when I took it off, or putting everything back together. Anyway, the pane is back in. Done. Beautimous. Love it. Let's go close the window. Make sure it works. I mean, obviously it's gonna work, but you know what I'm saying. Just the gratification of shit being there. Ready? Here we go. Ooh, it works. Nice. All right, that's a window pane replacement on these jailhouse windows, Jalousie windows, whatever. We do that probably a year from now. Anyway, thanks for watching. Peace out, and appreciate it. Ooh, purple sky. All right, got all the kills. That bottom one. So 3 new window panes done. Yay! Project goal 1 completed.